Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, complete the table, find interest. Now we have to find interest of this place. So let's first figure out what kind of interest formula is being used here. So we know simple interest uses principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. The whole divided by 100. This relation is used in finding simple interest. So let's check if the second value is following this particular relationship. So principal is 20,000 multiplied by rate is 15, time is 4 years, whole divided by 100. So if it's following simple interest, this interest amount should be 12,000. Let's see. 100, two zeros will cancel out. 15 fours are 60. So 200 into 60 is $12,000. So this is correct relationship for interest and principal. So in order to calculate the required interest, we'll simply need to use the simple interest relationship. So let's see. Required interest. Now instead of multiplying the entire things, we can simply find interest by using maturity level value. So required interest will be equal to maturity value minus principal. Here simple interest was, that is interest was $12,000 and maturity value was $32,000. So required interest, that is 12,000, was nothing but 32,000 minus 20,000, which is equal to 12,000, right? So here also we can use 60,000 minus principal, that is 25,000, which is equal to $35,000. So answer is option A.